Navratri festivities give you a chance to get back to the roots and deviate from the day-to-day affair. Ingredients like kuttu atta, singhara atta, fresh vegetables, milk, yogurt and makhanas are preferred as they are light on the stomach and can be digested easily. Instead of regular salt, rock salt or sendha namak is used as it is pure and unprocessed. Those who do not wish to fast may follow a vegetarian satvik diet, where ingredients like garlic and onions that produce heat in the body are avoided to allow your body to detox. Now, the Vrat recipes. First is Sabudana Khichdi. Sabudana is full of starch or carbohydrates which gives you the much needed energy boost while fasting. A light dish made with sabudana, peanuts and mild spices. You could also opt for sabudana kheer or sabudana vada, which also make great Navratri snacks. Second is kuttu ka dosa. If you are a dosa fan, this Navratri, move over the usual kuttu purees and rustle up something different. A crisp dosa recipe made of kuttu ka atta with a potato filling. Don't forget to serve it with mint and coconut chutney. Third is singhara ke atti ka samosa. Feast while fasting. Your favorite tea time snack made with fasting ingredients like water chestnut flour, sendha namak and a filling of spiced chironji. You could serve this samosa with coriander chutney. Fourth is aloo ki kadhi. Tuck into the soothing flavors of this light and lovely curry made with the ever so versatile potatoes. Move over the boring aloo ka falahar and instead choose to eat some healthy aloo kadhi and make your Navratri even more special. Fifth is low-fat makhana kheer. Desserts inspire each year. Here's for your low-fat kheer recipe made with makhana and nuts. Indulge without worrying about the weighing scale. Sixth is banana walnut lassi. Charge up with this nourishing drink. Lassi made with the goodness of yogurt, bananas, honey and walnuts. Drink up this healthy lassi and keep yourself energized through the day. Seventh is piquant arbi. Piquant or chatpati arbi recipe is a fasting vegetable recipe from Indian cuisine, cooked in ghee and some spices. This arbi recipe can be served with sabudana roti, kuttu atta puri, falahari uttapam and many other fasting breads. Eighth is pritwale chawal ka dhokla. A fresh recipe that gives you a break from the usual fried pakoras and purees. Steamed dhoklas made with samvatte chawal. A healthy way to fast. Ninth is kebab-e-keela. Fasting need not be boring anymore. Spices banana kebabs that perfectly melt in your mouth and please your soul. 10th is sold ki chutney. A perfect accompaniment to your regular pakoras or bhajis and even with your Vrat-friendly snacks. You could have it with dahi billa too. This Navratri Vrat recipe is bound to make you fall in love. Enjoy these delightful recipes this festive season and make sure you spread the joy and cheer across friends and family.